we shall solve problems based on the concept of equation of a line through a given point and parallel to a given vector. The question is, find the vector and Cartesian equation of the line through the point phi 2 minus 4 and which is parallel to the vector 3i plus 2j minus 8k. Here we have the point vector. See the solution. Point vector. A vector is equals to, this is a Cartesian form. Write in vector form. Position vector of A is equals to phi ui plus 2j minus 4k vector. And parallel to the vector 3i plus 2j minus 8k. That is B vector is equals to 3i plus 2j minus 8k. Already we know the equation of the line in vector form, that is R vector is equals to A vector plus lambda B vector. So substitute here, the R vector is equals to phi ui plus 2j minus 4k plus lambda 3i plus 2j minus 8k. This is the required equation of the line in vector form, or we can say this is the required vector equation of the line. This is the required vector equation of the line. Now we shall find the Cartesian equation of the line. You know the vector R is the position vector. Here R vector is the position vector of any point say P, X, Y, Z on the line. Well, this is your point A with position vector A, and this is your line L which is passes through the given vector B. I will take any point on the line P, on this line L as P. I will join. This is your origin, and this is the required equation of the line. Okay. So here P is any point on this line. Then the vector R is equals to xi plus yj plus zk is equals to, as it is, that is phi ui plus 2j minus 4k plus lambda 3i plus 2j minus 8k. Now equating, now adding and make one side I, j, k, then phi u plus 3 lambda or lambda 3 I vector plus 2 plus 2 lambda, 2 plus 2 lambda or lambda 2, both are same, into j vector plus minus 4 minus 8 lambda k vector, which is equals to xi plus yj plus zk. Now equating the coefficient of vector I, vector j and vector k on both sides, you will get x is equals to phi u plus 3 lambda, y is equals to 2 plus 2 lambda, and z is equals to minus 4 minus 8 lambda. Okay. Again, here eliminate the lambda from here. You will get lambda is equals to x minus phi u by 3, lambda is equals to y minus 2 by 2, and lambda is equals to z minus 4, if it comes this side becomes plus 4 divided by minus 8. These are the parametric equations of the line. Here we eliminated the parameter lambda. Okay. So you will get the equation as x minus phi by 3, because these all are the values of lambda only. So I will equate these. So x minus 5 by 3 is equals to y minus 2 by 2 is equals to z plus 4 by minus a. So this is the required equation of the line in Cartesian form. In Cartesian form. Our next problem is find the equation of the line which passes through the point with position vector 2i minus j plus 4k and is in the direction of I plus 2j minus k. Here we have a vector that is equals to 2a minus j plus 4k and passing through the vector b vector is equals to I plus 2j minus k. This is our point A having the position vector as small a vector. This is your origin and this is the equation of the line having the position vector r with some point P in the line L which is parallel to the given vector B. So here we have to find the equation of this line and our equation of the line is very simple, that is r vector is equals to a vector plus lambda b vector and r vector is equals to a vector is 2i minus j cap plus 4k cap plus lambda I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap. So it becomes 2 plus lambda I cap plus minus 1 plus 2 lambda j cap plus 4 plus minus lambda, that is 4 minus lambda k cap is our required equation of the line in vector form. So same way, now we will find the equation of the line in Cartesian form. This is the required equation of the line in vector form. This is the required equation of the line in vector form. Now we will find the equation of the line in Cartesian form. We know vector r, P is any point in the line having the coordinates x, y, z. Then in vector form, r vector, the position vector r becomes xi plus yj plus zk vector, which is equals to 2 plus lambda I vector plus minus 1 plus 2 lambda j vector plus 4 minus lambda k vector. Here equating the coefficients of I, j and k, we get x is equals to 2 plus lambda, y is equals to minus 1 plus 2 lambda and z is equals to 4 minus lambda. This is the parametric equations. Now eliminate the lambda. It is lambda is equals to, you will get x minus 2. Here lambda is equals to y minus 1, if it comes this side becomes plus 1 divided by 2 and lambda is equals to z, minus lambda is equals to z minus 4, then lambda is equals to minus z plus 4. Now these all are the values of lambda only. So equate these lambda values. We get x minus 2 by 1 is equals to y plus 1 by 2 is equals to minus z plus 4 by 1. Or you can write this one as x minus 2 by 1 is equals to y plus 1 by 2 is equals to, take the minus common, it becomes z minus 4 by 1. This implies x minus 2 by 1 is equals to y plus 1 by 2 is equals to z minus 4 by minus 1 is the required equation of the line, in Cartesian form. Our next example is find the Cartesian equation of the line which is passes through the point minus 2, 4, minus 5 and parallel to the line given by x plus 3 by 3, y minus 4 by 5, z plus 8 by 6. See the figure. Here we have to find the equation of this line which is passes through the point A having the coordinates minus 2, 4, minus 5 and parallel to this line. And here the line given as in equation form, that is x plus 3 by 3, y minus 4 by 5, z plus 8 by 6. We are not interested in equation of this line. We need the line vector of this line. Okay, we want b vector. We don't want the equation of this line. So this is nothing the equation of the line. I will take this one as M, line M, passing through the point x minus of minus 3, so minus 3, y minus 4 means 4, z minus of minus 8 is minus 8, so minus 3, 4, minus 8 and parallel to the vector 3i plus 5j plus 6k. On comparing this equation with our required Cartesian form equation of the line, we get this is the equation of the line passing through the point minus 3, 4, minus 8 and parallel to the vector, line vector 3i plus 5j plus 6k. See, this is the line which is passing through this point and parallel to the vector 3i plus 5j plus 6k. We are not interested in this point. We want the vector form of this line. So we get here the vector form of this line as 3i plus 5j plus 6k. Now the equation of the line is very simple. That is vector r is equals to vector a plus lambda b vector. Here the point vector is given as minus 2i plus 4j minus 5k. So I will substitute here. This is equals to minus 2i plus 4j minus 5k plus lambda. Here we calculated the b vector as 3i plus 5j plus 6k. This is the required equation of the line in vector form. But in our question they are asking find the Cartesian equation of the line. So we have to convert this vector form to Cartesian form. Here r vector is the position vector of, here P is any point which is joined by origin and this is the position vector r, having the position vector r. So and its coordinates I will take it as x, y, z. Then it becomes xi plus yj plus zk vector is equals to minus 2i plus 4j minus 5k plus lambda 3i plus 5j plus 6k. Not make I vector one side, that is you will get minus 2 plus 3 lambda I vector plus 4 plus 5 lambda j vector plus minus 5 plus 6 lambda k vector is equals to xi plus yj plus zk. Here comparing the coefficient of I vector, j vector and k vector, we get x is equals to minus 2 plus 3 lambda, y is equals to 4 plus 5 lambda and z is equals to minus 5 plus 6 lambda. This is the parametric equation. Now eliminate the lambda. You will get lambda is equals to x plus 2 by 3. Here lambda is equals to y minus 4 by 5 and lambda is equals to z minus 5 it is there. If it comes this side becomes plus 5, z plus 5 by 6. So these all are the values of lambda. So equate, you will get x plus 2 by 3 is equals to y minus 4 by 5 is equals to z plus 5 by 6. So this is the required equation of the line in Cartesian form. This is required equation of the line in Cartesian form. So here this is the line which is passing through the point minus 2, 4, minus 5 and parallel to the vector 3i plus 5j plus 6k. And here you can solve this problem directly by using the formula for the equation of the line in Cartesian form. We can find the equation of the line in Cartesian form by using the formula. The equation of the line which is passing through the point x1, y1, z1 and parallel to the vector ai plus bj plus ck vector is given by x minus of x1 by a is equals to y minus of y1 by b is equals to z minus of z1 by c. Here the line which is passing to the point minus 2, 4, minus 5. So our x1 becomes minus 2, y1 becomes 4 and z1 becomes minus 5. And this is the line which is passing through the point minus 2, 4, minus 5 and parallel to the vector which is we already calculated as 3i plus 5j plus 6k. That is a is equals to 3, b is equals to 5 and c is equals to 6. On substituting you will get x minus of minus 2 that is x plus 2 divided by 3 is equals to y minus 4 by 5 is equals to z minus of minus 5 become plus 5 divided by c as 6. So this is the required equation of the line in Cartesian form. Equation of the line in Cartesian form by using directly formula. On comparing, see this equation of the line in Cartesian form and equation of the line in Cartesian form. This is by solving, by converting the vector form to Cartesian form. This is by using formula. Both are same. The next example is the Cartesian equation of the line x minus 5 by 3 is equals to y plus 4 by 7 is equals to z minus 6 by 2. Write its vector form. And already we know the Cartesian equation of the line passing through. We know that the Cartesian equation of the line passing through the point x1, y1, z1 and parallel to the vector ai plus bj plus ck is x minus of x1 by a is equals to y minus of y1 by b is equals to z minus of z1 by c. Comparing this equation with this, we get the points as x1, y1, z1 is equals to x1, y1, z1 as 5. Here minus y1 is there, here plus 4 is there, becomes y1 becomes minus 4 and z1 becomes 6. x1, y1, z1 points are 5 minus 4, 6, and vector b is equal, that is ai plus bj plus ck here as 3i plus 7j plus 2k. And also our vector form of the equation of the line is very simple. Vector form of equation of line is vector a plus lambda b vector, that is vector r is equals to a vector plus lambda b vector. R vector is equals to a vector means or 5i, this is the Cartesian form. So our vector form of this point will be 5i minus 4j plus 6k plus lambda into 3i plus 7j plus 2k. So this is the required vector form of equation of the line.